Stay prepared for any weather with our HLKZONE rain ponchos, designed to pack down small enough to fit in your backpack. Perfect for sudden downpours, these ponchos are a must-have for outdoor activities like trips to Disney World, parks, concerts, stadium events, water rides, marathons, and even fishing. They also make great additions for cosplay. Lifesaver in emergency. Featuring elastic wristbands, these ponchos prevent water entry while you capture photos and videos. The waterproof design includes a hood with a drawstring for a snug fit against wind. With snap buttons, they are easy to put on and take off, ensuring you stay dry from head to toe. Tear-resistant and wrinkle-free. Crafted from thick EVA, 0.15 mm, our ponchos are nearly 50% thicker than disposable options, offering durability and a wrinkle-free finish. They dry quickly and are recyclable, making them a sustainable choice for long-term use. Lightweight and practical, compact and easy to store. These packable rain jackets fit seamlessly into your backpack, suitcase, car, or office. Say goodbye to bulky umbrellas and heavy ponchos. HLKZONE rain poncho